Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Inna Allah ta'ala qad rafa'a li ad-dunya fa ana anzuru ilayha wa ila ma huwa ka'inun fiha ila yawm al-qiyamah. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Allah Jalla wa Ala raised this dunya in front of me. Raised this dunya. Wa ana anzuru ilayha, and I am looking at it. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, فَنَزَرْتُ, I looked at it. This is in Al-Mu'jam Al-Kabir Tabrani. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Inna Allah ta'ala qad rafa'a li ad-dunya. Allah raised the entire dunya in front of me. فَأَنَا أَنْظُرُ إِلَيْهَا وَإِلَى مَا هُوَ كَائِنٌ فِيهَا إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ كَأَنَّمَا أَنْظُرُ إِلَى كَفِّ هَذِهِ. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Allah raised the entire dunya in front of me, and I am looking at it. Whatever will happen, whatever will take place till the day of judgment, I am looking at it as I am looking at my hand. This is the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.